real traditional Ishan girls, they know they break their toto for 13 years. The real one where their papa really get tradition, their mama, they train them well. All of them must marry before they born. Ishan girl must get your husband married before he come on for us. But if you see the one where they give the letter, now the useless ones, and now Opaika be. Opaika where they under 50 years because she born at the age of 13 years, come me bulu 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 bulu. They swore, you they see Opaika say, Opaika get sense of 50 years old people. Opaika not even get, even the 40-something way, they go get sense. I don't even know sense where I want to, because my children on that age, they are not senseless. I can't even say I can be like a small picking, because even right now, children they're not dead senseless the way they dead senseless. This is all she need initial beginning marriage to destroy her or get a brother. You understand? Either to get the man for hand will be brother. Make it they say, my brother, you not do like this. A woman not they do like that. The tradition where he no use for himself, as big as she is, she no get husband. Now they see the way they talk for her side. As big as she is, now she they control old man where they fuck her. As big as Opaika dey. Opaika na Ishan woman when no Ishan right and tradition. Thank you, mommy, for the gift. Opaika na Ishan woman when no tradition of Ishan. Opaika go they live the way she they live. Beatrice, Joy, go they live the way they live. Joy go they live the way she they live. Where she they live since 10 years on social media. A disgrace to Ishan responsible women. Ishan responsible women where they respect their wife and their husband. Only Opaika go come go. He go want destroy anybody when married to Ishan. Ishan not marry him. Opaika, you good. You foresee Ishan man will marry you. This one, he not marry you now. You marry him because you they talk him for outside. If you do anything, you will throw away back. Now so you they talk him. If you do anything, you will throw away back. You know if you do the you know if you do that. Now so you they talk him. Man where they put for us for abroad. Now so that they talk him. Man when you know say now he get everything to lose. Now so that they talk him. Waiting you they want make it happen to Monica and Abro all this why it no happen. See Don Mumu and Ishan tribalistic wife we marry. You they brainwash them because Ishan we not go school. That one at the another easily manipulated and very tribalistic. They don't know how to promote their culture. They go they fight for waiting or they fight for them. The real Ishan educated person, you won't see them changing words with riffraff Benin people where also they where be Ishan this, Benin this. You will not see a real Ishan person that is well dig and know a culture, go school, where go engage with any riffraff Benin person. They say na Benin good pa, na Ishan good pa, na Benin good pa, na Ishan good pa. You they see am. Go and look the Ishan where they hang on. Now we be Ishan. Now na be Benin. Now we go and look at them. Now set up of Opaika. Illiterate baboos, the men and the women. Give me one responsible platform of say Monica go look that platform na Ishan woman, very responsible woman, able to educated where they engage in it, talk truth. More than talk truth. You know they go and look at all the Ishan platform that engage in changing words with now we be Ishan, Benin no good, now we good pass. They are all illiterate, they are all riffraff, they are all under Opaika influence. No real indigenous of Ishan man, woman engaging with fighting on social media for na Benin good pa, na Ishan good pa. You know they tell me one platform apart from the useless outcast of Opaika where they pursue him mama from Ewoyimi because of witchcraft Okpaika where they build us for the past 12 years. Ordinary 5-bedroom in village or mafo or maria mafense ya mapente toilet mafo ma ya ni mo wa yo to Odion Lovett we will not be friend put you for grant since that time he can finish am big one Lawa put for grant yesterday he can finish am big one Mama Susie he starting you day before yesterday. He don't finish am, don't even set dates. He don't bring Ashwebi of opening. Okpaika where they laugh. Wait till I tell laugh on that time. Don't forget. Pit toilet. Shit for inside bush. Until today. He never finish. Because ekwe done evil. He no let you blow. Now to the brag. I use 250 take so close. Now una be a day we want make una stop bad character. If you like use 500,000 take so cloth every day. Do you wear it 2 times? No. What does it stand for? Will it make you not to die the day where death go come? Who you be? If you dey pass, you come down for Lagos, who knows you, who recognize you? If you bring difference, you bring changes, is it not only your family? Go see your pikin in saloon. If your pikin be like what saloon, you for the show and they use on they brag. Go see your pikin in saloon. The fit count expression where they. Expression where people even they dash me carton. He pass the one where your pikin saying they say. Go see your pikin salon ye zaga. Walk ba on a gear then uje. I so club 500,000. So club 1 million. Your mate many day where they so club 1 million. When I hear me like a boy like yengbe, boy like yengbe. Okpaika, you know they marry, leave marriage alone. You know no, my sister, I'm not here to say Edo is good, Isha is good. You know say the one they feel use and cajole me, don't consign me. You don't consign me. If you see Isha for where he forbid you, oh yeah. Me, I married them. I don't see anywhere where they for do me anything because people like Okpaika among them, I know they need them. Tribalistic platform, dressing. All those archaic, useless illiterates that is looking for a wife to take do sleep. They know they come near my territory. I get mother-in-law, a living mother-in-law. So therefore, I am not afraid of any Isha person where no go school, where one can talk nonsense. If you see most of them where they talk nonsense, they not get husband, they not their husbands. Isha woman where they husband has, if they respect his brother wife. Isha woman where not their husband house, where body they pepper, no see who carry it, don't turn to agbele, na asha way can they do. Now so where they useless. Now me they tell you, I go lie for you. I don't date there for 25 years. The ones where they husband, where things they go for, where they don't get your time. They love you, they mind their business. But you see those ones where husband has no content like Okpaika, so those ones where go just they do billy like hey. That's also correction that they look for who they want correct in marriage. They sabi married, but they're not the same man where they put them for us. Isha man cassava, they can't test it. Like Isha, they run for any agbele Isha woman. No, they see agbele Isha woman na bini men they marry them. Isha woman we don't do see go mother up and down. Isha man not they marry. Na me they tell una go check her. If you marry and also complain, go they complain. Now at the year now. If you see Isha woman we marry Isha man where they complain, you don't fair born. Yes, I be see go mother. Isha man will hardly respect you. Now your Okpaika be. Because of you, now they cause problem for another Isha Bini marriage. Now that one, there are people, you don't come out now, they tell the woman, leave the husband. You never hear say the woman, Your Asian sister na 3 papa 3 children. You know yeah. You know yes, say Kokobiri don't first do one throw away. I've been a saga. You see one now make throw away the only respect with their body. Now Binima be the only respect with their body. If you leave Binima na Kokobiri, Abanese, Romania, Remogija, then go get the atoto. You hear and whether they use now saga they say na lie. Eh? You not go tell your own pikin we marry Binima way one marry go marry one way do like this. If Opaika in-law no put glass for eye, no go fit take picture. You know why? He picking your husband like this. So how by man give a bit Iriono. You understand the menania? I walk banner. I walk ba. Oyan team. We na ya work pressure on do team on okbana do digba sokpa. On do ye free again very na. That's why the man want take picture. He be fine, but he have to use glass because I will serious wa. I got bow serious wa. Opaika, why you no go tell your daughter make it live beneath husband house? Wait, be say na so social media now you they do more than in-law to they break home. Book mo yakara, ambassador book mo yakara. Where book mo yakara? Umari doje tati. Doje tati no yek beta Monica. Even beleka ora ya wa viene buru. Yeah, when they ask less why. God bless you for the gift. Eh? You know wear tight again, you know wear short knicker, you know wear bone short for your budu body. Come they dance now, they show nyash. Because now that one you want to take on control, say you be mother-in-law. Mother-in-law where they misbehave. Who want measure you? Are you crazy? Eh? Don't mumu baby mama. If you like, use your marriage where you get. So take fight for the whole official we don't send you now, we useless for social media. Now, by canal go come tell you say make your baby papa go work before you can know say your baby papa supposed to work. Eh? Or by where they talk say make people go work because of social media. She know they work. She know they do social media. Eh? Which time she take work? Which time she take they come back on they do social media? Where other people know feel work and do social media. Where be safe, you see other people doing social media now because they know they work. You where they do social media come now because you they shout. I they work where you know fit they build us stairs since 10 years, 12 years. You don't they build that house before we saga you 10 years ago. All of the way we use it better, different thing take saga. They don't bring come and finish. You don't see nothing where you bring come out. You know the shame. You don't get 20 years for UK where they change people's life. You know if you change your life, Tafia won't buy you. Tafia won't buy you for UK or buy the madam where they do tiri osusu. Tiri osusu na osa. I not tell you. Ganya u wa muwono ya wowa. U ke be pay e baki o wa degi ye to wa dego here. Eh? That's here, don't baby mama. Now, social media, you want to tell us, say, you get action as Asian woman where they fight for Asian woman. See your bike where they fight for Asian woman. You not get a care where they do. That man where put for us, he not go tell you the story. You know what he get like 2 weeks ago, where who watched that program of Opaika. Many of my people know they watch them. When they go school in the morning, I they tell them, you go there like suffering put on. I go they use them, they do make up. I not the comment, I just they listen to Ayeye talk. Okay. It can't get 2 weeks. Inside 2 weeks ago, Opaika program was always if man do something, as I just be so, a pa go just do something. I'll just throw me. A pa will just name me. I'll just do like this. One day a pa can't do like this. I tell her, say if you do again, who watched that program? It's like 2 weeks ago. She did that program like.
Ematano.
Okay. She do that program inside 2 weeks, like 3 days of it, very hot. Everything na about the husband. That time, now the husband, they just get big problem. Opeka don already dey used to it now. The woman go carry woman, get woman for this UK. Young girl where they respect and where they give am toto, no be Opeka toto wey be pecan toto. If I dey talk am now, you think say na saga, you okay? Okpaika pecan toto, when he see say the time where he never come social media, Yoruba, Benin me, Ishame, ya wewa. The time where he come social media, where he come dey hot for, adultery, this one fuck, that one fuck. Like I come enter inside Jamaica. No wale, kokobiri toto. Are you crazy? Don't praise baby mama. Do Ishan woman where they fight for Ishan for social media. You go only turn to 4 baby mama. Okpaika when they but now they feed your own daughter for Benin man house. You don't want my daughter marry Ishan man will be proud because no educated Ishan man will marry Okpaika daughter. You know why? They are from which family in the Woyimi land? Go and ask. Go and ask if I'm lying. They use they pursue their mama. Not be like for this modern time where we did so. Now they pursue their mama as wish go another village. May come on for a Woyimi. They don't count and you know the year. As long as ya. Now they be ma kuije. Imato salo baita. If you a Woyimi, akbe ma kuijo pa ikabe Woyimi. Ere Woyimi be na guana. Aswe ne akbe ma kwe. Don mumu baby mama. Okpaika they take now they pay school fees for your grandchildren. Make your daughter taste Benin man house. But Okpaika they tell you say make you leave Benin man house. After you don't born for Kokobiri, you see Benin man wey carry you. You know say truth of the matter. Correct Ishan men no they carry Ishan girl. We don't do like bologbo like different papa. You know say Ishan man no they carry. Oge tamuwa. Ishan man bo murie de ke no murie. Oga muna for this abroad. Don't know why you stay. You want ya mi ebe or ya dole that bureji. Now Benin men ain't the apple now. Now that they used to all those type of things. If Okpaika don't pursue you, if they come back, can still use you do topic. If you say na lie, look many Ishan guests, Ishan women for this social media, what Okpaika carry for hand. They get platform before, today go and look for them. He don't carry them. When he carry them, they use them, they do when she use them, finish, she come back again, finish their career. But she still there, they talk, even if not three people they wash her. As they don't care. Okpaika, you see this bad character where you sabi so, don't let her follow you go grave. Change. Come on eye for where you see marriage where people they build they go. Not be person say me you know use your new gauge. Take try whether marriage will work for you. Marriage where you say you do with a dioma, that one not be marriage now. Now you keep a dioma for her, now you go kick him out. Video when you do 2 weeks ago, me, I don't date husband for 25 years. That's why when I say I lock my husband for bottle, now me they do that kind of video. I never fit do one day. I'll just come and I'll say, if my husband talk no say, I'll just do like that. I bet people when they listen to me, why on there? But you, the kind thing where you talk for that man body, if na my papa, I'll say make it leave you. Make it leave you, make they go. If na so it dey rioja. And now you go dey force yourself. Hey, I get marriage. Wait, be say you not get marriage. Okpaika leave Ishan people marriage alone. Wish. Go face your own children. Benin man no good, but you dey pay school fees for your grandchildren and they yeke mother. Your daughter never get one thing wey do for you. Only picture where your daughter do for your birthday that day, no let us screenshot. Heat never come. The thing don't ready piete. Cheaper chico 1,500. Now your daughter feel say you deserve. You know the shame. Your daughter where you dey feed, where you dey pay house rent for Benin. Your daughter where you dey pay e children school fees for husband house. Make Benin husband for not leave your daughter. But if you see other people who you go want destroy am. Like why? You say make Don Prince, Don Mumu, baby mama make it leave Don Prince. Don man get be your daughter not go leave your husband. Your daughter husband they try. You go dey cocoa your daughter since 30-something years when you take come abroad. Or mon paquet kanu biye. Uwa koko. Agbon mai o ma ese no kokuwe. Your daughter and the husband, Mona Mayan, they're supposed to be America, make the cause say, they can't decide where the all be. You don't try for us. But no. Now you still they do leg, do hand, do everything. You they talk that day, you say you buy motor for your daughter. 40-something years old daughter. Now you go buy a motor. Now you go buy and this. Now you go buy and that. Allah go down. You know go to make come on for such husbands. Husband where you the cocoa her, the cocoa our children, cocoa our husband. You know go say make it come on. Egbe ma ho egbe ho ma o what do nije na do akoko ma o what that money. That one a pride to say at the cocoa my pikin since 30-something years. As me just did this so. And the cocoa picking up children, they cocoa me. Not be saying I go come. I get picking where go feed buy me shoe. I get picking where go feed buy me McDonald's. I get picking where go feed buy me anything where I want. Now me go come day. Iwa cooking ya say unukbono. Me cooking ya say 18 years. Inya cooking mene. But si eni ehena koko mo pa ika I me ma sun we I san ven we sun we san ona koko mo say 40 years u ye koke here. Na good thing be that. You know the shame. Stay away from people marriage. Useless woman. Stay away from people marriage. Useless a day. Na edioma you put for us. Uma yeti kipe. Go see edioma. You don't become a kitaway for London. You go date it up, they use it direct. They say we no know. This whole word they say is this small, not to talk of UK. No. You just say we no know. My people will just come in. Listen to what Okpaika is saying. Make we move to the next topic. Okpaika no ho ho. Eye on eme. Eye onye me marriage bi bieleka. Ya onwo we. Owo we ma perfect. Your pikin marriage. If it perfect, you no go dey cocoa auntie na. Can lie? Be don't lie. Na Isha woman give am paper. Liar. Like stop this your character. Stop it. Now what it be one may do to me and Daddy Cool all this year where they say my wife, Isha wife not they do like this. Isha name not they do like this. Isha brother not they do like this. So take the content Daddy Cool to have cars when they see say you know they mind them for your thing where they talk. They can't say not be Isha man. No, not be Isha man. It's supposed to be like your brother where in your mama shop. Now so your brother listening to your mama where your mama talk. If I can't listen to you Okpaika, now you will sabi how Isha wife they do women. The only marriage where your pikin marry who cook here uzwa. The man never sense ije no cook mo what do we well.
When you give her a joke. My sister, if you know say the priest they humiliate you, tell her make go. Don't fair go before.
Una the year.
Tell her make go. Make for
una the year. as big as Okpaika, is that what Okpaika can come to social media to come and say to Ishan woman we don't fair born for Kokobiri? Ishan woman we don't be tear robber. Ishan woman we be single mother of 3 children according to social media people. Okpaika, they go do your picking. They go do your picking. Benin man house where your picking, then now you they pay school fees. Tell your picking may leave Benin man and may go look for any shaman where go carry am. Oh yeah na. Do one. Make you bring results. Say Monica, you not talk say no shaman go carry my picking. No shaman go carry your picking because una come from which family where they know for ewo imi. No shaman go marry your daughter. Na Benin me ma mara umi ya awazena kufu abebo. No ishan, they go there, they go marry. Ah wow. If you say na lie, oh yeah, do an amo see.
Drink water, put off for ground. Make you for still chance take care of your children. If you not say the man when you give her document, he not good. Let her go. Forget about document when you give her.
You dey see now. Okpaika go talk something. You oti say yeah, Irisha. You oti say na that person tell him. You oti say he know wetin he dey talk. Na lie oh. Don mumu don't come and just now come to say no be Ishan woman give am paper. You see this video where Okpaika do so. If you hear it, go be like say, oh, Beatrice Okpaika and all Ishan people they be friend. Now lie oh. Correct better Ishan people that they run for a day because they know say correct better Ishan woman, elderly woman does not behave like Okpaika. And Okpaika is not elderly woman. Okpaika is 40-something years old. She never even reached 50 years. If you like, they whine, don't believe. Okpaika is not a old woman. Oh, na fuku where any whine. He can't born pikin where grow. Oh yeah, the age when say pikin dey 30-something plus 13 years. Go to a war in go and ask them. Which year Okpaika te born? Okpaika born in primary school. Ask Okpaika whether he reach secondary school. No. Okpaika born in primary school. Okay? They not quit put on for school. When they put on, Okpaika don't they fuck before he enter primary school. If una say na lie, mo na go do na find this. She born at the age of 13 years plus 13 years plus the age of her daughter. Come and tell me say Okpaika is a dede. Come and tell me. Okpaika no use 15 years to senior her daughter. 13 years now to senior her daughter. Why won't she behave like Ibe, a dedi bear, when no get sense? Just look the whole Ishan, the whole social media. Only Okpaika now they follow children, they fight for Ishan good, Benin not good, Benin good. Go look what that they do to Naba. Go look this one, go look that one. You don't see any responsible Ishan person go come engage, say, now this one be topic. That one a topic. Now topic to anybody with them and show more na touch. Now topic to anybody for this abroad. At least they say traveling is part of education. You see any responsible person where they really do live video as Okpaika say in a person where they give this thing. You see any of what they engage on Benin and Ishan fight.
You know, yeah. Forget about the document when you give her. No worry.
You see?
It is well, my sister. If you know, say, don't please they humiliate you. Stay on your lane. Because to rob, you did your own house. If the rest can make it, if don't please sisters will not they my house, if they can make it, You too, you can make it, my sister.
Opaika. Beatrice, Joy. Joy, start with your daughter. Opaika, the marriage destroyer. Opaika, Beatrice, start with your daughter. If your daughter is doing well in Osman House, it is prohibited at the age of after 30 something years in abroad, you are paying her children's school fees. No, now. You are the one buying your grandchildren clothes. If you not buy them clothes, they don't get nothing to wear. Go and look at your daughter's salon. Okay, come on, we can still the show, huh? You reach a what salon, you carry video, you they do like this, you they do like this, if they sweet you up, after you leave there, you went to your daughter's salon. Why can't you show it? You show salon, not mean say you show the address with the look for and they go. Opaika daughter salon. Na expression where they you even feel can't I not reach one carton. Now, wood, you still they see wood for background. Yeah, pala. Beatrice Opaika, why can't your daughter leave Osman House? Where no good for her. Where they make him mama work all her life. When you do Italy, all the shower where you do for Italy. Now your daughter, now you they use and take care of. He enter abroad since when you come UK. You marry Benin man where one eye they pain, where they use glass for your daughter. Till today, now you they sponsor them. House where they rent for Benin, now you they sponsor all. Okay, that can marry no rich me mama say me pikin come on. Why you don't say me your pikin come on? Why you go they destroy people marriage they go? Home destroyer. Marriage destroyer. Isha Benin marriage destroyer. I wish na Benin man I put you for us. Na him marry, na him be even your boyfriend. The way Isha old man be your boyfriend. The cat body way for the cash will not be here. Igbo vivie dora gbo paika. And the vie do accept way. If you say they accept way. Tell me why Isha person will accept you. No, they wrong. Make the banon say, you know, great senior person, enya by at war. All of them, they run. Or Betty, destroyer. Now, because of you, that woman come out, that they come make video, say, Isha woman a snake. Isha people na snake. If you see snake, you see Isha people kill. Now, because of you, when you never near her, she not do that video. She quickly know, now she throw away. You go see the way she dey shine like celebrity.
Greetings to you.
You don't go there, one go do everything bad to her. She sees you, she throw away you. Quick. You don't run from there. Kwa. All the old Isha platform where you follow, where they don't run enter us. Because if they say me, they can't play audio, can't talk everything where you talk. Everywhere goes samakwe. Who did you?
Like if you live in a war, if you can make it, my love, you can make it. They are not saying me for us, my husband. But if you know, say, don't pray, no, let you drink water, cook for ground.
My people, una the year. I know say make it come on for husband hustle, but if you know, say, don't mumu they let and drink up, people for ground. What did the woman the judge just now? According to the small video we may see. Not be Benin and Isha matter. Imagine Isha man, Benin woman, or Isha woman, Benin man, where all of us we marry Isha people. Isha people marry us. So because Benin and Isha they fight for social media, we go come they fight for Isas. You see why it's dangerous to marry some tribalistic Isha uneducated. They are dangerous more than snake. It's a pity. I'm sorry. You see those one we not just get number one. Those one where be say school not pass them. Like Opaika so. Very dangerous to take do friend. Dangerous to marry. because the moment they just hear Ishan, they don't even know what they talk about. They'll just start to they do what you know understand. So all of us we marry Ishan now. So Ishan and Bini, Ivie and Ishan people like Okpaika, they fight for who better pass. So all of us now. Oh yeah, marriage don't spoil. Because another Ishan woman, they thought to Bini. So my husband supposed to go see your sister. They talk to our Bini. My people, more not top. Una so supposed to tebi. Eh?
So now good evening.
Good evening, my lady. Okpaika.
Okpaika. Iyeki, wait first I beg. You get one video where they just do pass. Now this Urobo guy, whether they do robot or whatever they call it. Okpaika and that mad woman wait there for Holland. They don't begin the share. Bini people make una conceal. Okpaika, what you don't know be say Isha and Bini, you not get as you want do. We be the same. It depends on how you take am because anytime they take measure Isha, say Isha person do something, now so you will carry the tea go. Now the one that they carry am, that's why people they insult. Now the one and the one that they behave, una behavior, eh? If not so that Asian people they behave for Nigeria, for Edo State there. I'm not sure that whether Benin go they give Asian people house, maybe they rent. If for my area at that time, even for our house, Papa, now Asian people, now their food there pass. Now they rent the house pass. They know they behave the one that they behave. Any little thing now just carry on. When those people where they talk, if you get sense, they say apart from Edo State. Now, apart from Benin, what you dey for? What you dey for Edo State? You know say they said the Edo State now you dey up by car. Una carry they rob only the Benin people. You go they talk to Benin people the way you like. The one way you they do for media. My mother not fit behave like that. My senior sister not fit behave like that. I not fit do as you they do for media. Not do anyanu with the media. No, now ye boy, you know the media by I no fit do one. You and the what you say they call her. Don't see come out again today. They know in a whole land. A lovely. You don't see come out they sort if they live here the money his of this other not concerned with it concern that one. And their one wife, she not fit take that one so okay make she get sense. They know it's sort of because that be that still little of it oh. If you never insult Lisha, now somebody matter let the brick come. But the wife carry her, go, because she don't already get her for mind. Say one day, she go push the mumu come off for house. She can't okay, they talk to each other.
They call her.
The way that one come they behave. You know where you don't prison. And true say you be really Benin person. I go see you know they work. I wish you they work. You they bring money, they contribute to that household. And the way that woman they talk to you, she don't fit talk to you like that. Never. You are lovely. Or other people where they join you, they try to they destroy Benin. Say na so Benin do, na so Benin not do. I go put her to you. Una not better pass Benin people. Una behavior. No Benin person will fit behave the way una they behave. Be a responsible woman.
Not the way they fight to
the way you are lovely they behave. A lovely one, they talk rubbish.
Only concern where concern
affect
Ishan good, Benin bad, Ishan good, Benin good, Ishan bad. Where that one? Where you reach? No reach anywhere. You go even reach the dojo time. Nobody whether una be say he wow the social media wawa. Thank you, my lady. Okpaika, the own destroyer. If it the water you, the woman